In a bustling city filled with towering skyscrapers and busy streets, there lived a dedicated police officer named Alex. With a heart full of justice and a strong sense of duty, he patrolled the city day and night, ensuring the safety of its residents. One sunny morning, as Alex was enjoying a cup of coffee at the local cafe, a call crackled over his radio. A valuable artifact, known as the Golden Crown, had been stolen from the city museum. Alex sprang into action, his adrenaline surging as he rushed to the scene. Determined to apprehend the thief and recover the priceless artifact, Alex began his investigation. He meticulously examined the crime scene, gathering every clue that might lead him to the culprit. Tirelessly, he questioned witnesses, studied surveillance footage, and analyzed fingerprints. With each passing hour, the trail grew colder, and frustration gnawed at Alex. But he refused to give up. He combed through police databases and sought assistance from his colleagues, pooling their collective knowledge and experience. One evening, while studying the case files, Alex noticed a pattern. The thief seemed to target historical artifacts from various museums across the city. He realized this was the work of a notorious art collector named Vincent Van Alden, known for his cunning and obsession with rare treasures. Armed with this breakthrough, Alex set out to track down Van Alden. He followed leads, chased shadows, and braved dangerous situations. As he delved deeper into the criminal underworld, he discovered a secret hideout where Van Alden stashed his ill-gotten gains. With the element of surprise on his side, Alex raided the hideout. In a thrilling showdown, he confronted Van Alden, who was desperate to protect his precious collection. Alex displayed his bravery, outsmarting the cunning art collector and apprehending him with the help of his fellow officers. The city rejoiced as news spread of Alex's triumph. The Golden Crown was returned to the museum, and the stolen artifacts found their way back to their rightful places. Alex was hailed as a hero, his dedication and unwavering determination recognized by his superiors and the grateful citizens. But for Alex, it wasn't just about the glory. It was about making the city a safer place, ensuring justice prevailed, and protecting the community he cherished. He continued his work, facing new challenges and adventures, always ready to lend a helping hand to those in need. And so, Officer Alex's name became synonymous with courage and integrity. His story served as a reminder that even in the face of adversity, a single individual armed with determination, resilience, and a commitment to justice can make a significant difference in the world.